Welcome to the CITI program's course preview video, featuring 3 R's certificate course. In this course, the 3 R's Collaborative will introduce you to key information about, and tools to use, the 3 R's of animal research. This 5-module course is designed to enhance learners' understanding of animal welfare, promote the reduction of total animal numbers while maintaining scientific validity, and encourage the use of scientifically valid alternatives to animals in research. This course consists of the following 5 modules: History and Overview of the 3 R's, Replacement, Reduction, Refinement, and Summary and Applications. These modules will engage learners with interactive elements, including high-quality graphics, knowledge checks, and activities. The suggested audience for this course includes compliance professionals, IACUC administrators, IACUC members, research administrators, and animal care researchers. For more information, visit citiprogram.org.